good. You had a good day today?
Yeah.
I don't know if he 100% likes that or not.
He liked it when I did it the one time.
What's he doing?
I
I
don't
don't know
know.
if he likes being sat like that right now.
Yeah, he might have a full stomach.
Hi, Riker. My dad said that he used to blow on my face to get me to stop crying.
Yeah,
So he tried it when we were in the changing room.
and he did not like it.
He did not like it. He just looked at my dad and was like, "No!" He like blows spit bubbles when you do that. Is that silly, Riker? Is that funny?
Hi.
Make a fart noise again. Kids got a sense of humor. He's like, "Are you okay?" Oh, you know what it is? It's when you smile.
Yeah, after I do it.
Yeah, after you.
Because I can go, "Habbrr." Hey.